What's up, YouTubers? W here. You guys have a drain plug that is stripped that you don't really want to retap or swap out the drain pan because you got all these obstacles like I do. I'd have to drop my exhaust and everything. Well, I was at an auto parts store the other day and one of the employees showed me this little gadget that I thought would be really helpful. So you just slide this little guy in here and you twist it up, and as you do that it pulls this bolt in and this expands on the space that you have in there and would actually just replace your drain plug. Now, I'm not too crazy about it because there's no threads that actually hold it in there, but I think it'll actually do the job. It's got these little holes in here that when you turn this, it actually locks into place. So we're going to go ahead and give that a try. I'm going to kind of show you guys step by step, and while I'm doing this, I'm going to be going ahead and do myself a little oil change because I'm due for it. Now please promise me when you guys do jack up your car, you use jack stands. Trusting these things don't always work. You don't want this whole car to fall right down on top of you. Here's what I'm talking about. You get down here, and you're going to tighten this up, and well, just kind of keeps going there. And it just don't really want to tighten up for you though, does it? Well, hopefully this little thing's gonna fix that out. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. We're gonna drain that oil out of there. Now, if you can see in there, you can tell that the threads are definitely a little stripped. And now I've seen some videos, because there's more threads back there, they go ahead and they buy a bigger bolt, cut it down, round off the edges, and they use up those other threads in the back, which I might do later. But we're going to go ahead and try this little gadget first. Now we got that pretty much done and draining. Let's go ahead and give this little guy a try. We're just going to put him in there. Oh, that's a nice little snug fit. That's good. We get in there as far as we can. So with what threads were left in there, I went ahead and I was able to turn this around and get it in there nice and tight. So now we'll go ahead and twist this up. And I'll expand that in on that hole there. Now I'm thinking, just with any other kind of drain plug, you don't want to overdo it. You just want to get it nice and snug on there. I think that's good. And then with those little holes in there, that should keep it nice, and that's a really good sturdy fit. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. Let's go ahead and see, I got my new oil filter in up there. Let's go ahead and get her filled up and see if she's leaking. Hey guys, thanks for coming back and watching another video. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure you subscribe and like. See you guys next time.